Hi, my name is Sumit and I am the founder and CEO at Solruf. So Solruf is a solar marketplace and installation platform. In this video, we would like to discuss with you about our affiliate partner program. जैसे कि आपको पता है, the government of India is extensively promoting solar installations across the country through its PM Surya Ghar Yojana. In this scheme, customers can avail subsidies for installations up to 10 kilowatt for the residential properties. Solruf also promotes solar installations on commercial and industrial scale properties with an option for project financing. So you might have multiple individuals in your locality, in your network, who are looking at solar installations for their own usage. If you refer or connect us with the said individual, Solruf can arrange a site visit and instantly share 3D solar designs and technical proposals with them. If the customer proceeds ahead with us, then Solruf conducts the solar installation with the licensing and subsidy support, and along with the EMI project financing. As our reward plan, we share commissions as a certain percentage of the project cost as referral credits with you. So help us in spearheading the green revolution in India. And if you have any queries or if you like to connect with us, you can contact us on our business number, WhatsApp, email, or you can fill up the inquiry form on our platform. Thank you.